HELIOtube. Amidst the myriad ventures striving to revolutionize solar energy extraction, stands out with a groundbreaking approach. Developed by Hovis, this innovative technology boasts a distinct feature, a solar concentrator designed to inflate. Its intricate design comprises 3 layers, a base layer, a transparent layer, and a mirrored layer. Within its confines lie 2 sealed compartments, one housing a tube filled with a specialized fluid. When the concentrator intercepts sunlight, it reflects and intensifies, heating the fluid to approximately 752 degrees Fahrenheit. Subsequently, the heated fluid channels into a generator, where it undergoes conversion into electricity. Despite assumptions that an inflatable solution may compromise effectiveness, HELIOtube defies such beliefs. In 2017, Helova implemented an inflatable collector measuring 30 feet in diameter and 720 feet in length. With these dimensions, the station equipped with the inflatable collector achieved a peak power output of 854 kilowatts. Hawk. You're looking at a typical container, but how can it generate energy? The secret lies in the kite attached to it. As the kite ascends, it causes the cable to wind and unwind. This simple motion converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. A sensor unit at the cable's end automatically adjusts the kite's movements, regulating roll, pitch, and other flight characteristics for optimal wind energy capture. Designed to deliver up to 330 kW of power with an average of 40 kW over a 10-hour charging period, the system stores the generated energy in a 400 kWh lithium-ion battery array housed within the container. Kite power systems offer an excellent solution for small businesses in agriculture and construction, being easily deployable in remote areas within a short time frame. Although it may not reach the efficiency levels of diesel generators, it proves cost-effective in the long run and supports environmental sustainability. Geoflo taps into the Earth's daily absorption and retention of solar energy, presenting a geothermal system with direct exchange capabilities. Its efficiency is unparalleled, slashing heating and cooling expenses by a remarkable 50%. Advocates assert its suitability for diverse climates and nearly any type of building. Blue X, renowned for its visually captivating design, represents one of humanity's most remarkable inventions. Take, for instance, the motion energy converter, a striking amalgamation of power and grandeur. This towering Blue X device spans approximately 65 feet and weighs a hefty 38 tons. Despite its imposing appearance, its energy generation mechanism is surprisingly straightforward. Engineered with specialized components, it harnesses the motion of waves to set its generator in motion, thereby generating electricity. Motion Energy, unlike many other wave energy converters, successfully translated their Blue X concept into reality. They developed a functional prototype that endured sea trials for 154 days, consistently yielding up to 5 kilowatts of power even in waves peaking at 7.2 feet in height. The device exhibited an instantaneous peak power of 30 kilowatts, proving its resilience against the formidable challenges posed by aquatic environments. In the foreseeable future, these dependable devices could collaborate with solar panels and underwater batteries to ensure a reliable energy supply. With boundless possibilities on the horizon, the world eagerly anticipates Motion Energy's transition to mass production. Verde, tailored for budget-conscious fitness enthusiasts, presents a standard model packed with user-friendly features. Its spacious treadmill, measuring approximately 21 by 58 inches, boasts reduced friction and various comfort enhancements. Whether walking, running, sprinting, or engaging in sled pushes, users find ample options for their workouts. Additionally, it tracks workout metrics, empowering athletes to monitor their progress and identify areas for improvement. A standout feature lies in its ability to generate electricity as users traverse the track. With each step and belt movement, body weight spins the flywheel, producing power. The energy output varies based on factors such as weight, speed, and duration of the workout, typically ranging between 50 and 250 watts per session. Initially, the treadmill harnesses this electricity for its own operation, enabling off-grid functionality. Any surplus power can be redirected, whether to charge devices like phones or to power additional amenities such as fans and TVs simultaneously, as claimed by its creators. Floating solar farms. Draw inspiration from the mesmerizing beauty of ocean sunsets, crafting aquatic solar farms that seamlessly blend with nature. Inspired by the graceful sway of water lilies, these projects stand as remarkable feats of innovation. Just like water lilies, which remain tranquil even amidst turbulent waves, these solar panels exhibit adaptability to their environment. Their ingenious design features floating platforms adorned with solar panels, encircled by buoyancy rings anchored to the seabed. Equipped with monocrystalline silicon modules and double glass, these panels are fortified against water pressure. The buoyant layer provides a resilient and flexible base for the solar panels, capable of withstanding diverse water conditions, including the onslaught of powerful sea waves, such as Category 4 typhoons boasting wind speeds of up to 168 miles per hour. Various floating farms boast different capacities. For instance, the OS-75, with a diameter of 246 feet, generates an impressive 650 kilowatt-hours of energy. In comparison, the OS-50, spanning 164 feet in diameter, yields 280 kilowatt-hours of energy. HELIX 3.0 stands as more than just a turbine with aesthetic appeal. Its significance transcends mere looks. Visually, the turbine exudes elegance, pleasing the eye with its downright beautiful spiral shape. Its vertical axis design adds to its mesmerizing quality, making it a captivating sight as it spins gracefully. However, its beauty isn't its sole virtue. The turbine's productivity is equally remarkable. Its unique shape allows it to thrive even in light winds, capturing wind from all directions effectively. Generating 3 kilowatts of energy at a modest wind speed of just 35 miles per hour sets it apart from its competitors. Additionally, the developers of HELIX 3.0 prioritized safety, incorporating an overload clutch to ensure smooth operation even during stormy conditions, with wind speeds reaching up to 112 miles per hour. Efficiency is key, and this turbine delivers on all fronts. What's more, its effortless installation adds to its appeal. With no need for specialized tools, it comes with a fully assembled rotor secured on a transport frame, simplifying the installation process significantly. Meridian. Harnessing free energy is fantastic, but having a small, portable solar panel makes it even better. The ESA Systems panel is designed for easy repositioning, making it ideal for capturing free energy. It folds and unfolds effortlessly, allowing for supermobility and storage in tight spaces. When unfolded, it expands to 6 times its size, ready for use wherever needed. Despite prioritizing portability, the creators ensured high efficiency. The Meridian panel can generate between 1,800 to 7,000 watts of power, depending on its configuration. Additionally, it uses a GPS tracker to adjust its position, following the sun for optimal efficiency. OceanHydro Omni introduces a wind turbine that not only maximizes efficiency but also achieves self-sufficiency by harnessing free wind energy and storing it for future utilization. Following a conventional approach, it employs a rotor to gather wind energy, albeit with a modern twist, a vertical axis rotor, aligning with contemporary trends. Boasting a capacity of 1 megawatt, this turbine demonstrates impressive performance, generating between 1,600 to 13,800 kilowatt-hours of electricity daily, contingent upon wind speeds ranging from 9 to 89 miles per hour. What distinguishes OceanHydro Omni from its traditional counterparts is its unique ability to autonomously store energy. The process unfolds ingeniously. Air is compressed and channeled into a specialized tank, which is then submerged to depths varying from 330 to 1,640 feet. Here, water pressure maintains the air in a compressed state. When energy is required, it's simply extracted from the tank. Capable of storing up to 70 kilowatt-hours in a single cycle and accommodating anywhere from 21 to 189 charging cycles per day, the storage system ensures uninterrupted energy supply, even during fluctuating demand. Beam trailer. Solar panels have numerous applications, and one in particular will greatly please electric car owners. These mobile charging stations are secured effortlessly by gravity, eliminating the need for bolts, glue, or grid connections. This innovative design allows them to be easily relocated, with an impressive installation time of just 4 minutes. You might be surprised, but these swiftly deployed stations can withstand natural disasters quite effectively. While they may not survive catastrophic events, they can endure winds up to 160 miles per hour with no trouble. Establishing such an independent station costs $70,000, which includes both the station and its installation. This option is intended for businesses and city administrations rather than individual consumers, providing an excellent solution to support electric vehicle users. Ecodrain is a solution that prevents energy waste when we shower, turning this valuable resource into something useful. These easy-to-install heat exchangers capture heat from the shower's hot water, making it more efficient. While it may sound complex, the system essentially uses the warmth from outgoing water to preheat incoming cold water. Inside the Ecodrain, separate pipes and double-walled systems ensure the cold and hot water never mix. According to the developers, the Ecodrain can save between $1 and $250 annually, depending on where you live, by reusing energy. It also extends shower time by about 33% while keeping carbon emissions and electricity costs steady. SunSocket unveils a revolutionary concept challenging the conventional belief that sun tracking technology is exclusive to large-scale solar panels. Imagine a portable, walkable panel that maximizes solar energy absorption. At first glance, SunSocket appears as a sleek 25-pound briefcase, perfect for carrying essential documents. However, upon opening it, it transforms into a versatile apparatus reminiscent of a camping stove. But the real magic unfolds as the solar panel extends, reaching a remarkable length of 45 inches, morphing into a 60-watt solar power generator. The harvested energy is stored in a lithium iron phosphate battery boasting a 20 amp-hour capacity. Remarkably, even in standby mode, this battery retains its charge for years, losing a mere 2% per month. When activated, the panel automatically adjusts to face the sun, significantly enhancing its performance. With ample sunlight, the battery can be fully charged in just 5 hours, utilizing free energy. Additionally, SunSocket offers the versatility to not only power up the battery, but also charge various devices such as phones, tablets, and more.